Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW M8. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and adjust your mirrors. Next, familiarize yourself with the M8's various driving modes, like road, sport, and track, accessible via the M mode button. Understand how these modes alter engine response, suspension, and steering feel. Always start gently to get a feel for its immense power and precise handling. This initial setup is crucial for a confident driving experience. Once comfortable, explore the M8's performance features. The M mode button allows you to customize engine, chassis, and steering settings to your preference. For exhilarating acceleration, engage launch control by selecting Sport Plus, deactivating DSC, and pressing the brake and accelerator simultaneously. Release the brake for a powerful start. Remember, smooth and progressive throttle input is key to managing the M8's significant horsepower effectively, especially in dynamic driving situations. To truly master the M8, focus on advanced driving techniques. Its rear-biased all-wheel drive system provides incredible grip, but understanding weight transfer is vital for smooth cornering. Practice trail braking to maintain balance and control into turns. The M8's powerful braking system, often featuring large ceramic discs, offers exceptional stopping power. Learn to modulate it precisely. Experiment with manual gear shifts, using the paddle shifters for a more engaging and controlled experience. Maintaining your BMW M8 properly ensures its longevity and peak performance. Adhere strictly to the recommended service intervals and use genuine BMW parts. Consider enrolling in a high-performance driving school. This will significantly enhance your skills and allow you to safely explore the M8's full potential on a track. Remember, responsible driving and regular care are essential for enjoying this magnificent machine for years to come. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.